Hello there. So we're at this project with a couple crews. We got a bunch of dedicated circuits to run, and also remove and replace the panel. So we have Ethan and Jared and Antoine and Robert. So let's run inside here and see what we got going on. And here's the Federal Pacific Electric panel we got to swap out. It also has an FPE main breaker we recommend a replacement on as well. That one's a little sticky. So as you can see, we got some shelving in the way here that we're going to have to deal with. It won't comply with code requiring the clearance necessary, so we're going to have to cut this shelf out, well, most of the shelf out of the way.
I mean, that should be pretty good. You know what I'm saying? That'll be sturdy.
Like that?
Mm-hmm. Is this one long enough to go straight down? Almost. Yeah, we could just do that.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah. But it's probably better to go at an angle, don't you think? So that he's got more room, or no?
Yeah.
Yeah, screw it. We'll just go straight down. Because there's one right, look, there's one right here too.
Welcome to Simon Electric Carpentry Hour.
I've got another one right here. Only just
I mean, I'm going to go right in line with that one, so this should be good.
I made up a couple gussets to make sure the support is nice and sturdy. Maybe I should go into the shelving business. Now that we got the guts out of this FPE panel, we can start to remove it. And first cut the shelf out of the way.
you
Don't forget about that.
Cat's claw, do you, boss?
Cat's paw?
Yeah.
Well, no, leave that. I'll leave all that and just cut.
No, because I was thinking, take
Oh,
off
pop
the
that out.
cut the plywood. Pull up the plywood.
Look at this thing.
Charles, oh, no.
Look at the size of that.
Get screwdriver. There you go.
That doors hammer belongs to the customer. We just borrowed it.
Every second, I'm gonna get this nail out.
Get you a door.
I think that's what it's for, probably.
You see the cells on?
Wait, I don't want it to bust through the drywall. So hang on. Wait. Oh, is it? Put it on top of that. Okay. I just wouldn't want the back of the hammer to pop through. So this is obviously an FPE, so that's part of the reason why it needs to be replaced. But we got a service call out here because they smelled melted wiring. So this is the result of that. And if you look, it actually goes the entire way, all the way to the master bedroom like that. It's melted the whole way. It's pretty wild.
I'm just trying to separate out the conductor that's melted all the way to the master bedroom so I can take a closer look at it. Gotcha.
So, hang on one second.
Jared's in the attic and he's chomping at the bit to rip this thing up because we're actually going to remove the whole wire the entire way to the master.
Teamwork makes the dream work. If you look, I mean, it's just corkscrewed the whole way around the conductor, or the Romex. And it goes like that all the way to the master. So that's the symptom that we came here to diagnose
was the master. They had smelled smoke. Obviously it's an FPE panel, and that's probably part of the reason why I was able to continue on this long, but it's not great. Part of the reason why FPE is no good is it's going to let something like this happen and it's not going to trip. So you know, we're going to put in a nice new panel that'll be up to snuff, modern code. I mean, I don't know if it was lightning or what, but I mean, it had to be something awfully powerful to do that. It's like this entire circuit, you know, probably close to 100 feet of wire, got red hot instantly and then cooled back down. But the damage was done, so just normal use of the circuit ended up making it so that it just exacerbated the issue. They smelled burnt wiring, gave us a call, and we safed it off, and now we're here today running the whole circuit brand new. But
You can see right here, this isn't the master where it goes down the wall, and it's burnt the same way all the way to this point. It's at least 75 or 100 feet of wire, and the entire way is exactly the same, but we removed it all.
No, I know. I'm going to push the stick down, but...
Go ahead.
While me, Robert, and Antoine are out in the garage doing the panel, Ethan and Jared are working together to pull in the new wire.
Hold up. Yeah, just hold up. Let me get this wire in here.
Don't pull it too much. Don't pull it too much.
This the black wire. It got melted right here to the box. Yep.
Yeah, go ahead.
All right, that's good. Yep.
I'm not sure what's a bigger battle, getting the panel out of the wall or getting the new one in the wall.
in the world. Alright. So yeah, if we cut it right there, it'll make it easier to get the panel in, and then we have plenty of wire, because that's about what we need. There. Good.
Sometimes you just gotta work with what you got, and this came in pretty handy. The reason I'm taking the time to shorten all this conduit is so that we can gain a few inches of wire, because the conduit coming down had a little extra play in it, so this way we don't have to have extensions on all the main feeds.
Down more?
Go down more.
Right here I'm just torquing down the main feeder lugs. I'm sure some of you guys have done this before, but I'm using 3/4 schedule 80 to lengthen the handles on the loppers so I can cut this 4/0 aluminum, make it a little easier.
Until you get your ratchet cutters, that is.
Yeah, I gotta get some more.
borrow a tool and I keep it for a day, and now I take everybody's. That ain't right, homie.
Did you really? What tool did you borrow?
No, like I said, I took, I had Jared's thing for about a month. I didn't know who they were. I asked everybody and nobody knew anything. When I asked Jared, hey, are these yours? He goes, oh no, might be. And he goes, and then he looked in his bag. Oh yeah, those are mine. All right, I got them. Oh cool, because he didn't know where he left them. He thought he lost them.
Right now, Antoine's just making up some of the final connections on this panel. The grounds and neutrals are in, and we just got to land some of the breakers.
That hotel, motel, Holiday Inn.
I mean, I wouldn't call it that necessarily, because it was a hotel, motel, Holiday Inn back in
the day.
20s. Now it's just a.
Ran down piece of property.
I mean, they're trying to fix it up though. It is a cool building.
It is.
It's got huge porches. Like on each floor has humongous balcony porches. Because back then it was so hot and they didn't have AC. They needed to have that.
That's like the common area for that floor.
Mm-hmm.
I got to extend these.
Stendo.
Extendo.
2 pool 20. Oh, singles. These are singles? It's a 3-wire. You don't got a 2 pool?
This panel came out pretty nice in the end, I think. Especially for something that looked so rough to begin with. And I ordered up a couple pizzas so we can get a bite in before we take off.
Crazy, man. They're fast.
Yeah. All on the flat though.
I got it in my hand. Oh, it's been a long day. Now it's got a tumor on it. It's not the tumor. All right, so I'm wrapping it up over here. We got the panel in. We ran that circuit over again that had the melted wire, which, man, that was weird. Super strange. Anyway, I got to run out of here, run somewhere else. But thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you next time.